اهلا بيكم اعزائي طلاب الصف الخامس. معكم مستر مجدي خلف والمراجعه على الكونسبت الاول. وكل فيديو ان شاء الله هيبقى فيه كونسبت او اتنين، يعني بحيث ان احنا نقدر نخلص بدري ونعمل مع بعض امتحانات عامه. خلينا افكركم بالقناه بتاعتنا، ما تنسوش تعملوا السبسكرايب واللايك والشير. محتاجين لدعمكم كتير، محتاجين لدعم كتير، والقناة محتاجة لدعم كتير، ونعمل شير كتير عشان نقدر نكمل ونتواصل مع بعض. الفيديو الأول اتعمل اللي هم علوم بالعربي، تمام؟ كل الفيديو كان علوم بالعربي، ودلوقتي الفيديو ده هيكون هو نفسه بس وترجم ليه الانجليش، اللي هم الساينس اللي بيشتغلوا ساينس في الخاص واللغات والتجريب. خلينا نبدأ على طول. Question number 1. Traveling of seed from a place to another is called what? Traveling or moving of seed from a place to another is called what? Yes, excellent. Seed dispersal. So number 1, seed dispersal means traveling of seeds from a place to another by wind, water, and animals. Number 2, xylem and what? Vessels in plant work as arteries and veins to transport water and nutrients to all the parts of the body. Xylem and what? Xylem and phloem in plants. The same as arteries and veins in animals and humans. So number 2, xylem and phloem here. So I think, okay, so we can write it. Okay, now let's write it together here. Xylem and the phloem. So xylem and phloem to not be forgotten. Xylem and the phloem. Back again to the, yes, so xylem and the phloem. Question number 3. Seeds travel from a place to another through, I have just said it. Seeds travel, seed dispersal, okay, is done by number 1, water, number 2, wind, number 3, animals. Easy. So seed travel from a place to another through water, wind, and animal cells. Air enters plants through what? So here, look at this here. So carbon dioxide enters the plant through what? So tiny pores here. What is the name of this tiny pores? Stomata. Excellent. So air enters plant through stomata. Plant depends on Plant depends on what? To make its food. Depend on itself, yes. So plant depend on itself. Someone say sunlight. Yes, that's true too. So plant depend on itself to make its food, while animals depend on, yes, another animal or another plant, another organism to get their food. So plants depend on itself. Plants depend on itself while animals depend on another organism. Light energy of sunlight converts into what in photosynthesis? So here is light energy converted into sugar. Sugar what? What energy stored in sugar? Yes, chemical energy. So light energy of sunlight converts into chemical energy during the photosynthesis process. Number 7, what vessels transport water and nutrients from the rest, okay, of the world? Nutrients and water from the roots to the rest of the plant. So the question here, transport water. What vessels or what tubes transport water? Yeah, what tubes transport water or take water up? Do you remember? Excellent. Xylem vessels or xylem tubes. So xylem tubes or xylem vessels transport water from the roots up to the leaves and the other parts of the plant. Plants produce what gas? Look at here. Which gas is produced here? Yes, oxygen gas. So remember this, produce means give off, Which gas is given off? This is oxygen gas. Number 9 is considered the reproductive organ or part of most plants. What is the reproductive part in most plants here? What is this? It's excellent, flower. So flower is reproductive part in most flowering plants. Flower. If what got water and air, it will germinate. What germinate? Do you remember germinate started to grow? Yes, seeds. If seeds got water and air, it will germinate. Number 11, stem grow underground as in potato plant. What kind of stem? You see, you remember types of stem? Yes, tuber stem. Tuber stem grow underground while runner stem grow along the ground. You remember climb stem like in vines and grapes, this is climb. Okay, upright stem like in flowers and wood stem like in trees and shrubs. So grow underground stems that grow underground, this is what tuber stem. Gives the plant its green color. What gives the plant its, what makes the plant green? Excellent, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives the plant its green color. Okay? Write the scientific term. Write down the scientific term. A process performed by plants to make their own food. Really? What is the name? Yes. Photosynthesis process. Vessels transport food from the leaves to all the other parts. So here, transport what food? Underline here or highlight. Transport food. Which vessel or tube transport food from the leaves to all the other parts of the plant? Phloem, yes. Food, phloem. Yes, phloem tube. The way of dispersal of coconut seeds. Okay, just remember coconut seeds. Let me remind you, coconut seeds, they are what? They are light, okay? So they can float on the surface of water or on water. So the way of dispersal of coconut seeds by water. Structure at the roots. Structure at the roots. Here is the roots, okay? That increase absorption of water and nutrients. That increase absorption of water and nutrients. So what is the name of this structure? Tiny structure. You see, they like hair. Yes, root hair. So structure at the roots, they are root hair. A substance in plant leaves gives them the green color. A substance in plant leaves. What is the substance that gives the plant green color? Excellent. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives the plant green color. A gas released from photosynthesis process. Which gas is released? Is given off. Remember, please. Released or given off. So this is oxygen gas. So when say a gas released or a gas produced or a gas is given off, so oxygen gas. Blood vessels transport blood rich in oxygen. So underline this, rich in oxygen, which blood vessels takes the blood rich in oxygen from the heart to the other parts of the body. Rich in oxygen and from the heart, this is what? Artery. Excellent. So remember, rich in oxygen. So what is meant here is artery. The stored energy in sugar glucose. What energy is stored in sugar glucose? Chemical energy. You see the light energy of the sun converted into chemical energy in the form of glucose. So glucose contains chemical energy. Vessels or tubes that join roots to stem. So what join roots to stem is xylem. Tiny pores in plant leaves that allow air to enter the plant cell. Tiny pores So tiny openings in plant leaves. What tiny openings here? Excellent. Stomata. Next, true or false. When held held with some seed dispersal. Yes, some seed dispersal or some seeds move to another village by wind like dandelion. Okay, they move by wind. Okay, marble and dandelion. Yes. Phloem tubes transport water from roots to leaves. Wait. He said phloem transport water. No, you see, water here is moved up or carried up through what? Xylem. Water must be xylem, not phloem. So number two, false. Plants need water, air, and sunlight to survive. For sure, yes. Chlorophyll gives the plant the green color. Yes, we have said this many times. Digestive system in humans, like transport systems in plants, is a digestive system or circulatory system? Yes, circulatory system in humans, like transport system in plants. So it is not digestive, it is circulatory. Life is impossible on Earth without plants, for sure, because plants provide, okay, animals with food. Number two, provide the earth with oxygen, animals and humans and other living organisms. So plants provide them with oxygen to breathe. So life is impossible without plants? Yes. Plants grow in soil better than tissue. Yes, for sure. Because soil contains nutrients. Okay, they are essential for the plant growth. So the plant grow better in soil because soil contains nutrients for the survival of the plant and grow well. Plant grow in soil, yes, this is true. Glucose and oxygen are produced during photosynthesis. Yes. So glucose, sugar glucose, and oxygen are produced from photosynthesis process. Yes. Next, plants grow better in tissue. Correct the underline. Correct the underline. So plants grow better in tissues. In tissues or in, so I have just said it. Plant grow well in soil because soil contains much nutrients. So plant grow well in soil. Number two, leaves of plants absorb water. Look at here. Leaves of plants absorb what? Absorb sunlight. Leaves of plants absorb sunlight. Why? Someone tell me. Why leaves of plants absorb sunlight? Because they contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, yes, that is the granules. Okay, granules inside the chloroplasts that absorb sunlight energy. So leaves of plant absorb what? Sunlight. Why? Because they contain chlorophyll. Arteries are of the components of the human digestive system. So you see arteries here, yeah? So this red one. Arteries, this is digestive or what? Excellent. Circulatory system. So arteries and veins and blood capillaries and the heart, they are, yes, parts of circulatory system. Xylem transports glucose from the leaves to all the parts of the plant. Glucose, the food of the plant, is transported by what? By phloem, not xylem. Xylem transports water only, but phloem transports the food, the sugar, nutrients, and the other nutrients to the other parts of the plant. Match phloem. Now, your turn. Which one? Phloem. Performed by plants to make their food, transport water from roots to leaves, transport food to all the parts of the plant. Excellent. Phloem, food. Yes, so number 1. Number 2, xylem, water. Xylem, water. Transport, water. Number 2B. Number 3, photosynthesis performed by plants to make their food. Next. Number 1, take in water and nutrients from the soil. What take in? What absorb water and nutrients from the soil? Excellent. Roots. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Number 2, increase the absorbed nutrients and water. What increase absorption of water and nutrients? Root hairs. Here, you see the root hair absorb water and nutrients absorption. Number 3, tiny pores allow gases in or out the plant. Stomata. Stomata, they are tiny pores on the leaves of the plant that allow carbon dioxide enter and oxygen and water vapor out of the plant. So compare between plant need and animal need and the common need. Which one here? So you have some words here. So you said which one plant need, which one common need. Common need means plant need it and animal need it. Both of them, both plants and animals need it. And the animals need for animal only. So number 1, photosynthesis process is what? Yes, excellent. Photosynthesis is plant need. One of the only plant need photosynthesis. Number 2, okay, what plant needs? So arrange them. Plants need photosynthesis and what? What is for plant only? Yes, sunlight. Yes. Plants need sunlight to perform photosynthesis process. Number 3, carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide. So plants need photosynthesis, sunlight, carbon dioxide. Okay, so common needs water, oxygen. Someone says, Mr. Plants produce oxygen. Yes, and they need oxygen too during cellular respiration. So plants in the day, في النهار يعني, so they perform photosynthesis process. Take in carbon dioxide and give off oxygen. But at night, they perform another process called cellular respiration, where they take in oxygen and give off carbon dioxide. So both plants and animals need oxygen. Respiration, both plants and animals do respiration. We respire and plants respire too. So animals need what? Yes, shelter. Only animals need shelter. So plants need, please with me, photosynthesis, sunlight, carbon dioxide. Common needs, so both of them, both plants and animals, water, oxygen, respiration. Animals need shelter. From where plants get the following substance to perform photosynthesis. So plants get water from where? From where plants get water? Of what? Yes, soil. Excellent. From the soil. Number 2, carbon dioxide. Yes, from air. Light energy, for sure, from sunlight. The last question. Ahmed grew a plant in his balcony and traveled abroad, leaving the plant without water for a long time. Explain what will happen to the plant and why. So what will happen to the plant if you didn't water it for a long time? Number 1, it will and become pale. So, and in the end, it will die. Why? Because water is a basic need for living organisms. Without water, we can't survive. Plants can't survive. Nothing can survive without water. So the plant will wilt and be pale because water is a basic need for survival. Thank you, and see you next session. So next video will be concept 2 and concept 3 together, okay, to finish unit 1. So follow up, please. Keep in touch. Leave a comment if you want. If you want any question, leave a comment. Subscribe, share, like, comment. We need your support. Thank you and see you next session. Bye.